Savannah and Cassie singing
Grenade.
Grenade, you know, by that guy, Bruno Mars. Bruno.
Do you know, I Think I Wanna Marry You?
Not all of it. I just know it's a beautiful night and we're looking for something to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. That's all I know.
Wait, I can sing it.
Easy come, easy go. That's just how you live.
Oh, wait, let me sing another part. Alright, guys, it's a beautiful night, we're looking
For something to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you.
Is it the look in your eyes,
Or is it the dancing juice? Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you.
I know a little church on the corner.
Okay, just forget that part. I don't care about that part. Let's sing. Rolling in the deep.
I don't know that whole song.
Do you know, Someone Like You?
Someone like you.
Yeah, but it goes, I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess you gave me things.
Wait, give me the. I want to sing. I Think I Wanna Marry You.
Well, just keep going on this video and then I'll let you do it.
It's a beautiful night.
Don't sing this one. You're gonna have a separate video for this song.
Oh.
Yeah.
These shoes.
We're supposed to be home at